welcome to today's 10-minute meditation. Today we're going to focus on the Archangel Zerachiel. Now, many of these archangels have more than one name. These are the 7 angels from the Book of Enoch that we're covering. So we just have one more tomorrow, and we got to meditate with each one. But just know, if you don't hear the angel you're accustomed to, it could be that it's one of the other names, and you can just Google them. It's so simple. Uh, so anyway, Zerachiel is the angel of God's command, or the angel of God's judgment. We're going to do a similar meditation like we did with Michael and Gabriel, where we use the words I am. The I am is representing that part of God that's within us. The I am that I am, because the angels are carrying the energy of God to us. So it's the I am is bringing forth with the angelic, through the angelic realm, that gift to us. And in this case, it will be the gift of healing, freedom, and rest. So let's get started. As always, we start with prayer protection and the Lord's Prayer. We'll go into a simple guided meditation where we will sit silently in this energy that is brought to us by Zerachiel. When the silent period is over, you will hear the chimes so as not to jolt you out of the quiet place that you're in. And I will bring us to a close and pull ourselves back in using the 23rd Psalm. Let's get started. Let's take a deep breath and invite yourself to relax and let go. Close your eyes and begin to relax. Take another deep breath and invite yourself to go even deeper. As I approach the throne of grace, beauty, and might, I throw about myself the protections found in the thought of the Christ. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For the kingdom, the power, and the glory are yours, now and forever. Let us scan our bodies now, just running from the top of our body to our feet, and notice if there's any kind of disturbance, any kind of blockage. And if there is, simply invite yourself to relax and let go. It is amazing how quickly our body will follow our mind. By being relaxed and calm in our minds, our bodies are relaxed and calm. Let us go now to the top of our head and to our third eye on our forehead between our eyebrows. And notice there is a slight sensation. This is where the divine, the great I am, pours forth his spirit into us always. And with it, carrying all these gifts. We're going to move following the stream all the way through our bodies. And as it comes in, we will welcome the healing and the freedom and the rest that come with it, carried on the wings of Zerachiel. So let us notice now as this beautiful energy flows into our head. And we can hear in the background a choir of angels. And we can hear a vibration, a sound that is carrying healing, freedom, rest. into our throats, feeling it travel down into our lungs, our hearts, our shoulders and arms, wrists and hands, into our stomach. Is this magnificent choir of angels' vibrations led by this Archangel Zerachiel, carrying the great I Am's healing, rest, and freedom into our seat and legs, knees and feet, back out again. Let us just feel this gentle healing vibration, bringing our body to complete rest, complete wholeness, complete freedom. As we sit in this energy and observe it and absorb it, let us stop for a moment and be grateful for this opportunity. Send up a little thank you for this healing, for this freedom, for this rest, for this Archangel's assistance in carrying your command and your power to us. And let us close with the 23rd Psalm. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. He leadeth me beside the still waters. He restoreth my soul. He leadeth me in a path of righteousness for his name's sake. Yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for thou art with me. Thy rod and thy staff, they comfort me. Thou preparest a table before me in the presence of my enemies. Thou anointest my head with oil, my cup runneth over. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever. Amen. I hope you're enjoying these meditations with the archangels as much as me. We do have one more left for tomorrow, and then we'll get into a different series. Nice to see you all again. Have a great day and a blessed one. Bye now.